Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to, you know that kitten we got, so he scratches me a lot when he's active. Oh, so let me see, here are some scratches, right there. Sorry, it's kind of a pixel. Oh, there's some right there. Anyways, so right now we're not gonna have an active video. I'm gonna show you what he looks like when he sleeps. Cutie. Hey, go back to sleep. Shh. Alright. Alright. Well, anyways, he's sleeping right now. Aww, of course he's grabbing my hand. You awake now? Well, anyways, this song was by, that. Anyways, that, I don't know the right to that song, but anyways, oh. No. I'm sorry. He loves it when his neck is massaged. See, he helps him sleep and, you know, just spoiled. He loves his neck rubbed. Oh, he doesn't want to be recorded. He smacked the camera away, guys. Alright, well, anyways, bye.